To add graphics on MetaTrader 5 demo account, you need to follow a series of steps. First, open your MetaTrader 5 platform and navigate to the chart where you want to add graphics. You can do this by clicking on the chart window and selecting the symbol and timeframe you are interested in. Next, click on the Inserts menu at the top of the platform. This will give you a range of options for adding different types of graphics to your chart. The Inserts menu includes options for adding lines, shapes, arrows, and text, among others. To add a line, for example, select the line option from the Inserts menu and then click and drag on the chart to draw the line. You can also add more complex shapes, such as rectangles and triangles, by selecting the shape option and then clicking and dragging on the chart. In addition to lines and shapes, you can also add text to your chart. To do this, select the text option from the Inserts menu and then click on the chart where you want to add the text. A text box will appear, where you can enter the text you want to add. You can also use the Objects menu to add more advanced graphics, such as Fibonacci levels and trend channels. To access the Objects menu, click on the Inserts menu and then select the Objects option. From here, you can choose from a range of different objects, including Fibonacci levels, trend channels, and Gann lines. Once you have added a graphic to your chart, you can customize its appearance by right-clicking on the graphic and selecting the Properties option. This will give you a range of options for changing the color, size, and style of the graphic. Finally, to save your chart with the added graphics, click on the File menu and select the Save option. This will save your chart with all of the added graphics, so you can easily access it again later. By following these steps, you can add a range of different graphics to your MetaTrader 5 demo account and use them to enhance your trading analysis and decision making.